1 out of 3 women experience physical or sexual violence, mostly by an intimate partner in Southeast Asia, including Nepal, according to World Health Organization. A press statement issued here today by Dr. Poonam Khetpal Singh, World Health Organization Regional Director for Southeast Asia, on the UN International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women that falls on 25 November, said that the statistics on violence against women are shocking globally. Violence against women and girls has become a public health issue, reads the statement, adding, it not only has immediate and long-term impact on physical, psychological, and mental health of victims, but it affects and impedes their progress in other areas, including poverty reduction, peace and security. It said the 16 days of activism against gender-based violence is observed from the International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women on 25 November to the Human Rights Day on 10 December, and the theme for the campaign this year is prevention. It further said that the first UN framework on preventing violence against women is being launched tomorrow. The prevention framework is based on change theory. It focuses on changing social norms and attitudes towards women and suggests various strategies, in particular education, it said. According to the statement, prevention would need a holistic approach with multiple interventions undertaken in parallel in order to have a long-lasting and permanent impact, and the strategies will require multi-sectoral action, including from communities, schools, agriculture, economy and trade, media and the health sector. We must unite and unanimously say no to violence against women and girls, said Singh in the statement. The annual 16-day Activism Against Gender-Based Violence campaign, which aims to raise awareness against kinds of violence against women, is beginning from tomorrow. On the occasion, the National Women's Commission is set to launch special programs focusing schools this year. Every year, the 16-day campaign begins from 25 November, the National Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women, and ends on 10 December, the Human Rights Day. NWC will organize various programs in schools to raise awareness against gender-based violence. Organizing a press meet here today, Manu Humagain, acting president, NWC, today said the commission would work towards ensuring participation of children in the 16-day campaign this year. She said NWC would hold interactions with school children in various districts such as Jhappa, Chitwan, Rupendehi, Nepalgunj and Kanchanpur. 40 government and non-government organizations working for the welfare of women and children will participate in the campaign. The 16-day activism will begin from 7:30 a.m. tomorrow from Bhirukutimanda in Kathmandu. According to Humagain, various awareness raising programs will be organized during the campaign. The international slogan for this year's campaign is "From Peace in the Home to Peace in the World, Make Education Safe for All." Similarly, NWC today expressed concern about violence against women and children in the ongoing Tarai/Madhesh agitation. Recently, protesters attacked an ambulance and trucks carrying medicines. A 3-month-old baby died after an ambulance was barred from taking her to the hospital. A girl sustained injuries when police opened fire a few days ago. If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.